The Toyota Crown is a luxury sedan that has been in production since 1955, making it one of the longest-running models in Toyota's history. The Crown was first introduced as a replacement for the Toyota SF, and it quickly gained popularity in Japan and other parts of Asia. In the early years, the Crown was known for its durability, reliability, and fuel efficiency, making it a favorite among taxi drivers and other fleet operators. The Crown's popularity continued to grow throughout the 1960s and 1970s, and it became one of the best-selling cars in Japan. In the 1980s, Toyota introduced a new generation of the Crown, which featured a more modern and aerodynamic design. This generation also saw the introduction of new technologies, such as anti-lock braking and fuel injection. Throughout the 1990s and 2000s, the Crown continued to evolve, with new generations introducing advanced features like traction control, stability control, and advanced safety features. The Crown also became known for its comfort and luxury, with features like heated seats, navigation systems, and premium audio systems. In recent years, the Crown has undergone significant changes, with a new generation introduced in 2013. This generation features a more modern and sleek design, as well as advanced technologies like hybrid powertrains and advanced safety features. Today, the Toyota Crown is still a popular model in Japan and other parts of Asia, and it continues to be known for its comfort, luxury, and reliability. The Crown has also become a symbol of Toyota's commitment to quality and innovation, and it remains one of the most iconic and enduring models in Toyota's history. The Toyota Crown has also played an important role in Toyota's motorsports history, with the model competing in various racing events throughout the years. The Crown has also been used as a police car in Japan, with its durability and reliability making it a popular choice for law enforcement agencies. Overall, the Toyota Crown is a testament to Toyota's commitment to quality, innovation, and durability, and it remains one of the most beloved and enduring models in Toyota's history.